This video covers inventory counting on the Cloud Retailer mobile app. When you go in, you will notice that there is no option to create an inventory count on the mobile app. That is intentional. That is best done in the back office, and there is a link in the description of this video that goes to an article that will describe how to handle setting up a physical inventory, which is a type that would be used with the handheld. What you do is you do choose the inventory you want, and you will notice that it does have items already scanned into the inventory, or that were put into the inventory if the inventory is filtered. Then you merely have to scan the item, adjust your quantities, and you can do that either via the number pad below or the plus or minus on the bottom of the upper window. In this case, I'm just going to say there are 2, and then I can either hit the blue enter or choose alternatively the add count in the upper window. And then you would go on to the next item. Again, any other features more related to the inventory would be covered in the documentation listed below. Thank you.